Product name 60 cbm LPG semi-trailer. Introducing our 60 cbm LPG semi-trailer, designed for safe and efficient transportation of liquefied petroleum gas. With a large capacity of 60 cubic meters, this trailer is perfect for long-distance deliveries. Its advanced safety features ensure peace of mind for both drivers and customers. Don't miss out on this reliable and high-quality solution for your LPG transportation needs. Contact us today to learn more about how our 60 cbm LPG semi-trailer can benefit your business.